It makes you want to cry, honestly.
You see people standing outside wondering what they're going to do. That was their home that they no longer have. They're very, very sad.
Hydradry and Brent actually have been the first company I've truly trusted. I feel they have my best interest, the church's best interests in hand. And frankly, Hydradry did my job for me. Thrilled with their service.
Hydradry has been providing emergency response for water and fire mitigation and state-licensed mold remediation services around the clock for 48 years. At Hydradry, our #1 goal is customer service. Unlike other companies, Hydradry is a family-owned and operated business, providing over 30 IICRC certifications and numerous certified technicians to fulfill your needs and return you to pre-loss condition, utilizing the newest science of restorative drying. Whether it's water, fire, or mold, we rescue you.